girl Adriane Pateeka. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, shout out to y'all, period. 2020 was a long year, but we made it. As you can see in the title, I am going to be coming at y'all today with a curly hair routine / tutorial, how to keep up on your curly hair, because curly hair is totally different from straight hair, honey. You gotta take care of this stuff for real. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do to maintain the curls on my hair and to keep it looking wet and having that wet look. And I'm just combing it out to its natural state. So this hair that I got in right now is a 13x6 frontal wig from ISEE Hair. It is deep curly, and I think it's in like a 26 or a 24 inch. But yeah, this is my first time trying out curly hair, or like deep curly, and it has definitely it's had its pros and cons, because I'm usually used to wearing like straight hair, but you know, you just really got to take care of the deep curly hair way more than you do straight hair. So that's what I'm not used to, but I'm getting better at it, so I'm working on it. Would I try this hair again? Yes, I would. This hair was, like I said, from ISEE Hair. It was definitely like affordable for sure. This is definitely like some hair that I definitely remember receiving fast in the mail too. So yeah, shop with them and check it out. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I'm just giving y'all my experience. Like, I literally bought this wig with my own money. So this is just my experience. Of course, any curly hair is curly, it's deep curly, so you're gonna have to make sure that you tame it the correct way. Make sure that you're combing it out daily. Make sure that you have like a night routine as well with the hair. I'm not gonna cap to y'all, I have not had the best night routine, but I'm working on it, and I'm gonna come to y'all later on tonight before I lay it down. So it don't matter what wig you got on, deep curly, loose deep wave, straight, it don't matter. You gotta make sure that the top is on flat, because if it's not, it's gonna look very wiggy. So I'm just going through. And I don't know if y'all noticed, like, I'm gonna give y'all a major key. Watch all my other videos about hair, because I'm laying major keys on y'all. So when you do it, of course the hair has to go through this part, but you wanna lay like this part on the part that you want to be flat, because that's hot too. So see how I laid it down? Like with that end part, like so. Y'all see that? So same on this side, because when you wet it up, you just want this part to be like curly. You don't want the top to be all curly and all bumpy and lumpy, and yeah, we don't want that. So I'm doing the same to the back. So like, it's definitely looking way better now. Okay, so for this part, I like to use, again, this leave-in conditioner, any kind of conditioner mixed with water. So I can't find my good conditioner right now that I like to actually put in my spray bottle. So I'm gonna just spray the hair down with this leave-in conditioner, and it's gonna get the job done. Got them ends. So you see how it already did a little something to it, a little something to it, but we're gonna take it a step further. This is just the start. So make sure you got you some conditioner. It don't have to be leave-in, but this is what I got right now. Okay, so now that I sprayed it all down with some leave-in conditioner, you can really like see a little difference in the hair already. This curl pattern is starting to form. So yeah, So next, we're gonna go in. This is another Cream of Nature product that I have. It's Curl Quenching Foaming Mousse. It says it's for natural hair, but so yeah. Just gonna get the hair moisturized with that as well. Now you're starting to see them curls really come out once you add that mousse. And you know what? Let me tell y'all what the mousse is for. So the mousse is for just kind of keeping the hair wet or looking wet. It's not gonna make the hair stay wet, but when the hair does actually dry, the mousse is gonna help it to keep looking wet or have that wet illusion, if that makes sense. So yeah, make sure y'all get y'all some mousse for your curly hair, for your deep curly. It's a little tangly right there, but like I said, I haven't really done this routine to my hair in a couple days, so that might be enough mousse, but I'm literally extra and I want to make sure I got every nook and cranny. So now that we did that on that side, this is the, look at that curl pattern. And then when it gets thicker, you can like really see the curl pattern. You can comb it out, it'll be like very voluminized. So we're about to do step 3, or whatever step it is, because I done lost count, okay? So look at them baby hairs, and it's melting. So for the next step, in the final step, you're gonna take your spray bottle and you're just gonna wet the hair down all the way. So for me, like spray, I just like to just go in on the hair behind. So this is some ISEE Hair that I purchased with my own money. This is not paid promo, and this is not sponsored. So this is definitely my honest, true opinion. I love, 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 love this curly hair. Like I said, this is my first time trying curly hair. I usually just, you know, get straight and be boring, but this time I definitely want to try something new. It was my birthday and I'm like, you know what, I'm coming different this year, and I did. So yeah, this is my curly wig from ISEE Hair. Like I said, it's deep curly, and it is like, I want to say 24 to 26, something like that, but it definitely comes to like the butt. So I'm gonna come back to y'all with what I do at the nighttime to keep my hair tamed while I sleep and to keep it from getting all tangled up and stuff. Okay, so I literally put my hair in these cute little pop smoke twists before I go to sleep, and then put my bonnet on. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for what I got coming.